Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the finished Melrose Hill bypass. Now this road is going to be a part of the Maypen to Mandeville highway, but the Melrose Hill bypass is a separate road. The highway will go into the bypass, and the bypass has been upgraded to 4 lanes. As you can see, it's a dual carriageway. It's going to look just like Highway 2000. And this is a game changer for this side of the island, because the Melrose Hill bypass, which is 5 kilometers, connects you from Porus to Williamsfield and vice versa. But you don't have to pay toll to use this road. So the residents in this area have gotten a very nice road. It's literally a highway. They should rename it the Melrose Hill Highway. But we'll discuss that in another video. So you have 5 kilometers of highway quality road. As you can see, very nicely done. It was done by China Harbour Engineering Company, and of course, you know, they always do a good job. So what happened is, you know, Highway 2000 is to go from Kingston to Montego Bay. So it's the Kingston to Maypen leg is open. However, the Maypen to Mandeville leg is under construction. So the entire project from Maypen to Williamsfield is 28 kilometers, but Highway 2000 is only 23 kilometers, and the Melrose Hill bypass is 5 kilometers. So from Maypen to the Melrose Hill is 23 kilometers of toll road, because that's Highway 2000. There's going to be a toll plaza in toll gate, and to use that road you have to pay toll. But when you come to the Melrose Hill bypass section, which is where we are now, you don't have to pay toll to use this road. So this is definitely going to bring a lot of economic benefit to areas like Porus and even though the Yam Park on the Melrose Hill bypass. So currently it's not open in both directions because they're waiting until the highway is finished. But as you can see, this section, this road is finished. There is no work going on. It's finished. Minor things left to do, but the physical road construction is finished. So come the end of August now, they're going to open the entire 28 kilometers of road to the public. And at that time, this road will be open in both directions. You can only drive on it from Porus to Williamsfield in that direction because of the construction that was going on. And if you're going from Williamsfield to Porus, you could use the original main road, which is the Melrose Hill. You could go over Melrose Hill. But this is it. Both sides are finished, and it's definitely a nice road. And the best part is you don't have to pay toll to use it. It's going to put Porus back on the map, hopefully, but we'll wait and see. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, and we will be giving you weekly updates on the entire Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway until the end of August when it is open. I will give you weekly updates until it's open. Alright guys, remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of this road. Alright guys, have a good day.